Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden craft design ideas and talk about joy of working with wood and the satisfaction of woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The joy of working with wood is a deeply fulfilling and transformative experience that engages the senses and ignites creativity, allowing artisans to connect with nature while expressing their individuality through craftsmanship. There is something inherently soothing about the tactile nature of wood, the feel of raw timber, the scent of freshly cut grain, and the sound of tools gliding through the material create an immersive experience that captivates the mind and spirit. As artisans embark on woodworking projects, they often find themselves lost in the rhythm of the craft, where each cut, sand, and polish brings them closer to the final vision they hold in their minds. This process often evokes a sense of mindfulness, allowing woodworkers to escape the rush of everyday life and immerse themselves in a world of creativity and focus. Whether it's the anticipation of transforming a simple plank into a beautiful piece of furniture or the satisfaction of completing a delicate wooden ornament, the journey of crafting with wood is enriched by the tangible connection to the materials and the meditative nature of the process. Woodworking projects can take many forms, allowing artisans to explore a wide array of design ideas that reflect their personal style and interests. For instance, creating a handcrafted dining table can be a labor of love, where the woodworker selects the perfect species, considering the grain patterns, color, and texture that will ultimately define the piece. The act of planing the surface to achieve a smooth finish, followed by sanding to perfection, is immensely satisfying, as artisans witness their vision come to life with every stroke. As the table nears completion, the anticipation builds, and the final application of finish enhances the natural beauty of the wood, revealing the intricate details that make each piece unique. The joy of working with wood lies not only in the final product, but also in the entire journey of creation, where each step is a testament to the artisan's skill and dedication. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, woodworking offers an incredible avenue for self-expression and personal creativity. Each project serves as a canvas for artisans to experiment with design, technique, and functionality, allowing them to push the boundaries of traditional woodworking. Whether it's crafting an elegant bookshelf that showcases their favorite novels or designing a whimsical garden bench that invites friends to linger outdoors, the possibilities are nearly limitless. This freedom to innovate inspires artisans to think outside the box, merging aesthetics with practicality in ways that resonate with their personal philosophy and lifestyle. For example, designing a set of nesting tables that blend contemporary design with the warmth of wood can embody both beauty and functionality, allowing the artisan to create pieces that fit seamlessly into modern living spaces. The satisfaction of seeing one's ideas materialize into physical forms is profoundly rewarding, fostering a sense of accomplishment that can be rare in today's fast-paced world. In addition to the creative fulfillment that comes from designing and building, woodworking also fosters a strong sense of community and connection among artisans. Many woodworkers find joy in sharing their knowledge, techniques, and experiences with others, whether through local workshops, online forums, or social media platforms. This exchange of ideas not only nurtures personal growth, but also cultivates relationships built on a shared passion for craftsmanship. As artisans mentor beginners, they often rediscover the joy of working with wood through fresh perspectives, reigniting their own passion for the craft. The camaraderie that develops within woodworking communities creates a supportive environment where individuals can celebrate successes, seek advice, and share challenges. This sense of belonging enriches the woodworking experience, reminding artisans that they are part of a larger tradition that values skill, creativity, and the timeless beauty of handcrafted items. The satisfaction derived from woodworking extends beyond the act of creation. It encompasses the joy of sharing one's work with others. Crafting handmade gifts for loved ones adds a layer of emotional significance to each piece, transforming ordinary objects into cherished tokens of connection. Whether it's a beautifully crafted cutting board for a friend who loves to cook or a personalized wooden toy for a child, these gifts carry the essence of the artisan's dedication and thoughtfulness. The act of gifting handcrafted items not only strengthens relationships, but also allows artisans to share their passion and skills with the world, creating a ripple effect of appreciation for handmade craftsmanship. Witnessing the joy on someone's face as they unwrap a carefully made wooden creation is a gratifying experience that reinforces the value of artistry and the meaningful connections it fosters. As artisans continue to explore the world of woodworking, they often find themselves inspired by nature, leading to designs that celebrate the beauty of the natural world. Incorporating organic forms and textures into wooden projects can enhance the aesthetic appeal while paying homage to the materials themselves. For instance, crafting a lamp that mimics the shape of a tree branch or designing a coffee table with a live edge can create striking focal points that bring the outdoors inside. This connection to nature not only enriches the design process, but also deepens the artisan's appreciation for the materials they work with, fostering a sense of responsibility to honor and preserve the beauty of the natural world through their craft. The joy of working with wood evolves into a commitment to sustainability as artisans become more mindful of their material choices and the impact their creations have on the environment. The process of transforming raw materials into meaningful objects fosters a sense of accomplishment that resonates long after the project is complete. As artisans engage with their craft, they not only create items that serve practical purposes, but also contribute to a legacy of artistry and creativity that enriches their lives and the lives of those around them. The world of woodworking is a celebration of the human spirit, where the joy of creation intertwines with the satisfaction of craftsmanship, resulting in beautiful, lasting connections between people and the objects they cherish. Each piece crafted from wood carries a story, a memory, and a piece of the artisan's heart, making woodworking not just a hobby or profession, but a lifelong journey filled with joy, discovery, and fulfillment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden craft design ideas and talk about joy of working with wood and the satisfaction of woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.